There are three basic vaccine technologies, none of which are safe. The three technologies are live attenuated vaccines, not safe because individuals react differently. So you can actually, a attenuated virus that causes one person to have a tiny mild infection that does them no serious harm may cause another person to have a much more serious infection. And more importantly, it can evolve and it can spread. You're not supposed to have a contagious vaccine, but this can make a contagious vaccine. Witness, not necessarily about contagion, but the polio vaccine, live attenuated, has created many, many cases of polio. That's an intolerable downside for the vaccine. Second technology is the killed virus or virus fragments that get injected. And the problem with this is it doesn't convince the immune system that there's something to fight, and so the immune system doesn't mount a useful response unless it is triggered to do so by something called an adjuvant, which we've talked about many times. And adjuvants, the problem with them, as I discussed at the very beginning of the podcast here, is that they're non-specific. They just tell the immune system to freak out, and so the immune system will freak out, yes, at the antigen you've injected, but also to maybe the pollen that's blowing in the air that week, the stuff that is in your gut and possibly leaking out because of exposures to other things. So an adjuvant is a very dangerous technology because telling your immune system to freak out is not a safe thing to do. And then the final one is this new mRNA technology, and the mRNA technology is unsafe because it moves haphazardly around the body. It triggers cells wherever it happens to be taken up to produce an antigen, and the immune system is going to regard your own cells producing a foreign antigen as virally infected, and it's going to kill them, which is very bad for you if it happens in your heart. There may be other places in the body where it's not so serious, but the point is random or haphazard destruction of tissues around the body is not fundamentally safe. So edit that down to a paragraph. You've got three technologies. None of them are fundamentally safe. They all have their severe downside.